Good morning mga kagabay. So Bicol tour guide po is for Baguio City. Let's explore Baguio City po. As of now, this is our first stop. We are here in Botanical Garden. Yan. Hello.
Hi!
Baguio Botanical Garden. It maybe contains specialist plant collections such as cacti and other succulent plants, herbs garden, plants from particular parts of the world, and so on. There may be a greenhouses, shade houses, again with special collections such as tropical plants, alpine plants, or other exotic plants. Botanical Garden devotes their resources to the study and conservation of plants, as well as making the world's plant species diversity known to the public. This garden also plays a central role in meeting human needs and providing a well-being. Different kinds of garden. Picnic area where the Durban's Botanic Garden is popular picnic spot. Restaurant, tea garden, and the top attractions is the Orchid House. This is Bicol Tour Guide. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.